Hello everyone. This is Amy with Simply Elizabeth Crafts, and I wanted to show you Club for May of 2025. We are going to be using the Sunrise Sailing. It is a bundle that includes a stamp set, it includes an embossing folder, and it includes dies. This bundle is very unique because this is a hybrid folder. So you can stick your dies right inside and it will cut and emboss your images all at the same time. So what is Club? Club is a subscription every month. It's $45. It includes the make and take packets for 6 cards, and I'll show you these in just a minute. For the month of May, your kit that you will receive will include the paper to create your cards, but it's also going to include a bolt of linen thread. It will include half a pack of the brand new 2025-2027 in color flat pearls. So just a half a pack of that. It's going to include a full pack of the new in colors cardstock. So if you have a card base that is one of the new in colors, you'll actually cut that yourself this month, but I will include the additional pieces that you'll need in order to do your stamping and your cutting and then to put your inside piece. So you'll get a full pack of that. Then you're going to get a fourth pack of the Florals in Bloom designer series paper. This is gorgeous. And then you're also going to get a fourth pack of the Floral Impressions designer series pack. So you're getting a little bit more this month than what I typically do, but I felt like that you should have a whole pack so that you can really create the cards this month. So I'll show you the cards really quick. So you'll get those products as well as you'll get a full tutorial on how to create it. It'll be a written PDF tutorial. Then you'll also get a video with a walkthrough on how to put them together as well. Again, the cost is $45. There's a link in the description of this video that'll take you directly to the information page that'll walk you through all of that. If you want to add on the bundle, you can certainly do that as well. And that cost is going to be just the cost of the bundle. I will pay tax and shipping for you if you include this into your club for the month of May. All right, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me as well, and I'll see you next time. Bye.